Hello, in the previous video, I explained the steps of executing a test case using GUI. Now, in this video, I will explain the steps to execute a test case using TestOps for functional testing, which was prepared in the previous step. To start the execution, click on the Execute Test Case button. From the pop-up, click on Via TestOps. Under Via TestOps, click on the Browser button. It will open the Jenkins in a new tab. Wait till it opens. As I mentioned earlier, the prepared test case will be auto-created as a new job in the Jenkins. This is the test case which was prepared in the previous step. So click on the job name. From the left panel, click on the Configure button. Now scroll down, you will find the build under which you will find the execute Windows batch command. So if you scroll down slightly under this, you will find the parameters called headless as no, instances as 0, and load test as no. The default parameters will be set like this. The parameters must be set to default as we are performing a functional testing. Now, click on the Save button to go back to the previous page. Now click on the Build Now button to start the building process. Under the build history, click on the build number. Again on the left panel, you will find the console output. Click on that. Here you will find all the building process details. Wait till the building is completed. Now the test case has been executed successfully. Once the test case is executed, close the Jenkins. This is how you have to execute a test case using TestOps. In the next video, I will explain how to analyze the results of the test case which is executed in this step. To post your projects, visit our website TestOnNeed.com. For furthermore assistance, contact us on sales@TestOnNeed.com. Do connect with us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Stay tuned. Thank you.